Hey, and welcome to Fill Me Up Cup. All right, let's go ahead and design your first Fill Me Up Cup. So we're gonna go to the shop section, scroll down to the create your own design, and you can choose any color mug that you want. You can scroll down to see what the different color mugs look like. And then once you decide, let's say I want the dark blue, I'm gonna click on dark blue, click create a design, and in the Fill Me Up Cup product customizer, it's gonna pull in that dark blue design for me, as you can see right here. Now, at any time in the process of designing, if you're like, you know what, I really wanted that red cup, no worries. Just click the red, it's gonna change it out for you, and the red cup is there ready to go. But for this example, we're gonna use the dark blue. All right, now that you're here at the cup, this is your blank canvas to create the perfect Fill Me Up cup for you, for your family, your friends, for your church, whoever it is that you're designing for, whatever reason you're designing it for, whoever or whatever you're gonna be praying over. And now you're gonna choose the upload file button. Now, when you click that, it's going to, first of all, if you've already uploaded any images into the Fill Me Up Cup product customizer, it's gonna save it in the section of My Gallery. So in the future, you can always reuse that to make another mug, to send it as a gift, or just create another one for yourself. But if you wanna upload a new image, you just go to the Upload a File section. You're gonna click Browse, and you're gonna pull in any photo from your computer. Now for this example, I'm gonna go ahead and just pull in this image here. And it's gonna put you right here in this section. Now this is the color options section. Everything in this area, do not check anything or change any of these settings. Leave that as it is. But now that you're in this section, there's a lot kind of going on in this picture, and maybe you just want to focus in on her face. All you need to do is just simply drag, and it's going to crop out those sections for you. So I'm going to go up to basically her waist here. I'm going to get rid of that TV in the background. I'm going to pull that down, come in a little bit tighter here. All I'm doing is grabbing and is dragging these little squares, and it's cropping it for me automatically. That's perfect. I love that. Now, if you wanted to use that just as it is, it's ready to go. You would click continue and move forward from there. But if you wanted to, say, add maybe a neat little design around the image, you click on crop and mask. And for example, I'm going to click diamonds, and it's going to choose a diamond design, or we're going to show a flower design. And so again, it's showing maybe more than I want, but all you need to do is simply, again, just drag it, and it's going to remove those areas for you in the background so that you can get that exact look that you're wanting. Look at that, perfect, that's great. But I'm gonna use just the original. And so to get back to the original, you go right here to where there's no effect, where it says none. It's gonna take it back to where it was. Now you're gonna have to, again, just quickly recrop it, but again, that takes just a few seconds, so no big deal there. There we go. Get rid of that TV in the background. Perfect. I love it. Oh, and one more thing that I wanted to show you is in the photo effects section. This is just, you can change kind of the color grading if you wanted to have just a really, if you want it to be black and white, for an example. But I'm going to go back to the regular, or if you want it to be just a really different kind of cool look, you can do that too. But I'm going to go back to the reset, so it's just the original color. And I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Now that's going to pull that image right onto the cup, and I can move this around. So you see this gray area here with the checkered background. You can move this image anywhere, and as long as it's inside of that area, that's the print area, and you're good to go. Now, if you do happen to drag it outside of that area, obviously you can tell that it's missing and cutting out some of the images, and that's okay. If you wanted to zoom in more, you could do that. Just know that if it's outside of the image that you're looking at, outside of these walls here, then that means it's gonna be cut off. It's just gonna print exactly what you see, which is great. What you see is exactly what you're gonna get. So I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit like that, make it a little bit small. I'm gonna make it a tad bit larger, get it kind of closer to those edges. I think that looks great. I like it. Now, if you wanted to maybe make it a little bit of an angle just for fun, or that works, maybe the picture of the person is sideways, you want it to be straight. Whatever the reason, all you do is click this and move it around, and you can drag it and change the angle, no problem. Now, if for some reason you wanted to go ahead and change this image, you would go to change, and you could go, again, this is the My Gallery, pick from any image you have uploaded in there, or go back to upload a file, and you can upload that file. But I like the one that I have, so I'm gonna leave that there. We're gonna go to the add text section. I'm gonna click that, and I'm gonna type in some text here. I'm gonna type in name, there we go, click done. I'm gonna bring that down to this area. I'm gonna stretch it out and make it a little bit larger so it fits in them better. And if you like this, then you're good to go. If the image is ready, you can also, again, adjust the angle if you like, no problem there. But let's say you wanted a different font. You just click on the select font section, and you can choose from all these different fonts. Now for her, I'm gonna choose the Barbie font. That's a pretty cool font. I like that a lot. So we're gonna do that, stretch it out, and my Fill Me Up cup is ready to go. Now let's just say if you want to add maybe one more cool little finishing touch, you can add a graphic. There's lots of different clip art graphics you can add. I'm gonna say heart and click search. Okay, some good hearts there. I'm gonna choose this heart. I like that. And so what I'm gonna do, just so it fits a little bit better, I'm gonna shrink this image just a tad. And then I'm gonna take this heart, I'm gonna put it right here in the corner. I'm gonna pull this picture over just a little bit. And again, this is just having fun. I'm just showing you how it works. You can design it and make it look as, exactly how you would like. But now, let's say that I love that design. It's perfect. Don't want to change anything. To get back to the section, to get rid of this area here are these different options. Just click anywhere in this area like this, and it's going to take you back to be able to upload a file, add text, or add a graphic. Or again, if you want to change that mug color, now we've got the red one. Since we have a heart and red is love, I'm going to leave it red. I like that design a lot. Okay, so it is ready to go. You can always save the design if you like, and that can be emailed to you for something in the future. But if everything is good to go, just click that Add to Cart button. And now that is added to your cart, and you are ready to go ahead and check out. And as soon as you check out, we're gonna start making that Fill Me Up cup just for you, just for Sarah. We're gonna ship it to you, and you can begin enjoying your coffee, your tea, whatever it is you wanna drink out of your Fill Me Up cup. And as you're just drinking from that cup each day, from say Sarah's cup, you're gonna be praying over Sarah just throughout the day. Such a great reminder, easy to do, and very impactful.